Hey guys, let's learn home for the holidays. Here we go. All right, guys. So, wow, that was long. Played it all the way through for you. Well, I am Shawn Cheek of webpianoteacher.com. If you'd like measure-by-measure lessons on this, what fingering to use, how to use techniques, how to voice the soprano note so that it sounds really cool instead of all jumbled, how to pedal, what chord you're playing, all those neat, wonderful things that you can learn from an actual teacher showing you things. I've been teaching for 30 years, 17 years online, YouTube and my website. And I have quite a few things I can pass on to you as you learn this. And you can download my big sheet for this, and you can learn it for the Christmas holidays and have a good time playing it. I'm going to wheel back here, and then we're going to do just a little bit of the first slide here. And again, on the website, we do measure by measure all the way through. Spend all day doing it. But let's start here with this first slide and just do a little bit. Okay, we'll do a little lesson here. It should get you through the rest of it. I'm going to take the string sound off. I was using the strings to make it sound cool, but it sounds cool without just piano too. All right, so you have G, D, A to start with, 5, 2, 1, and it's a little bit of a stretch, but you can roll it. In fact, a lot of the chords in this, you probably saw, I was rolling that from bottom to top. Now, you don't have to roll it super fast. It just has to be a nice, easy roll, and that'll work for you. And you can roll any chord you want. I didn't want to put the arpeggios on every single chord because you can really roll a lot of them. But feel free to do that whenever you feel like doing that. And if you can't reach this G, D, A, which a lot of people can't, you can roll it and still get it. Okay, but if you can reach it, you can just do that. Right hand has E, F, A, C, 1, 2, 3, 5, and my little up arrow was telling us to arpeggiate that. 1, count 2 is low G. Okay, there's an 8 there. Some of you read music know that means play an octave lower, then I come back, and then this is just G on the thumb to C, G with 2, 5. Da-dum. Count 4 is the same thing, G to C, A on the left hand. So 1, 2, a 3, a 4. You can almost pedal that whole thing with one pedal. And then, isn't that a nice Christmas chord? I mean, some chords just make me think of Christmas, and this one does. It just sounds Christmassy, like Home Alone or something. I don't know why. All right, so F, A flat, B, E, natural. Left hand on a low G. Roll that up. Okay, now that's a fully diminished 7th chord that's suspended. We resolve it here with the E to the D. All right, so these are the kind of things we learn on the website. You're not just copying, a computer program. We're talking about chords, F, A flat, B, D. That's a diminished 7th chord. The E is suspended, and then the left hand comes up. D, A flat, B, same chord. This is also the same chord, just a different inversion. 3. And then 4, that's actually where the melody starts. So when you practice, make sure you learn one thing at a time. Okay, work on that first measure till you can get it. 2, a 3, a 4. Next measure. Take your time. Oh, there's no. All right, so E, F. All right, now when you play this, you may play all the right notes. You may play all the right rhythms, but then as you think, oh, it doesn't sound like Shawn's, doesn't sound like doesn't sparkle, doesn't sound, and there's a reason for that. That's because of the balance, okay? Maybe you have all the ingredients, but you don't have the right amount of the ingredients. You have to have balance when you're playing, and I'll show you what I mean. You can use this on everything you play. You want that top note to come out. Okay, you don't want it to sound like this. It's all mixed and jumbled. It almost sounds like, just coming out of a MIDI or something. So you want to make that top note come out. Most of the time that top note's going to be on your pinky. So how do you play your pinky louder than everything else? Give you a little tip on how to do that. Practice doing this. Just take a chord and go like that. Play the pinky and then the rest of it. Then move up. Loud, soft, loud, soft. And for some reason, after a while, you'll start to feel that top note need to be louder. So it'll help you to practice that. Once you learn that technique, you can do it on everything and you have it. You don't have to relearn it for every song. E, C. Okay, F, A, C. You can roll that if you want. B, A, holidays. E, G on the left, C, D, G on the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and so let's say you worked on each measure one at a time. Then you're ready to make a chain. You play the whole line, okay? So 1, 2. Oh, there's no All right, so there's a little bit for you. And again, we do measure by measure, whole thing on the website, and you can download my big sheet, okay, for it and learn many other Christmas favorites. I'm going to have over 40 of them on the website now for the holidays. Hope you guys enjoyed that lesson. Talk to you later.